Many people know the barbecue sauce. It is one of the most popular, for sure. And the ribs, the barbecue sandwich, those menu items. What makes the sauce so special, and how did that all come to be?
The original sauce we were using was being mass produced.
Yeah.
And the company gave me 2 months to say that they weren't going to make it anymore. So then we had to come up with a sauce. And we were fortunate enough, it was being made in Milwaukee by a company the owner, his daughter had celiac disease. Our sauce had to be gluten-free and for the celiacs. In fact, the University of Illinois, University of Chicago, is the pioneer of studying the disease. So every time they had a new patient, they would give them a bottle of Saz's sauce.
Oh, wow.